Hello students, welcome in 11th Computer Science. We started with the chapter Logic Gates. Student, in this video we are going to learn half adder and full adder. Half adder and full adder. Now, adder means, what is the meaning of this adder? Adder means addition of binary numbers. Addition of binary numbers. In computer circuit, arithmetic sections has different circuits like adder, subtractor, multiplier, integrated, etc. The gate circuit performs all these mathematical operations. So, here we will study the basic circuit of two nibble adder circuits. Two nibble adder circuit. Okay. First, see what is the meaning of nibble. Okay, see here. One binary digit is equal to one bit. One binary digit. You know binary digit, either 0 and 1. Okay, 0 and 1, it is called as 1 bit. Then 4 bit, combination of any 4 bits binary digit is equal to 1 nibble. Okay. What is nibble? Nibble means 4 bits group is called as 1 nibble. Suppose 8 bits group, then is called 2 nibble. Okay. 1 byte is equal to 8 bits. 1 byte is equal to 8 bits. But understood student, what is nibble? Nibble means group of 4 bits of binary digit. It is called as 1 nibble. Now see, in half adder, let us see in detail half adder. What is the use of this half adder? See, suppose half adder performs on 2 bits only. Half adder performs at 2 single bit circuit. It is a combinational circuit. Combinational circuit means you can use combination of basic or derived circuits to create new circuit. It is called as combinational circuit. Now to add to single bit circuit, it can add 2 bits suitable only for LSB column addition. Okay. Now you know LSB and MSB. LSB means least significant bit. MSB is most significant bit. See, these are the LSB bit and 0 is the MSB bit. Now student, suppose see here, add 2 bits 0 1 0 1, okay, or 1 0. See, take another example. Suppose 0 1 1 1, okay. Add these two binary numbers using binary addition. 1 plus 1 is 0. Carry here 1, okay. Now see here student, half adder perform only 2 bits, but in next column here 3 bit, okay, but half adder only addition of 2 bit, so it is called as half adder. Now here addition of 3 bits 1 0 1, okay, because 1 is carry from 1 plus 1, carry 0 is here and carry is here, so addition of 3 bits. But this is not possible in half adder. Okay, this is not possible in half adder because half adder is only to add 2 single bits, not 3 bits. Okay, so half adder is only for this LSB column. Understood student? Half adder is only used for addition of LSB column. Now see, symbol or block diagram of half adder. Symbol of or block diagram of half adder. See here, half adder, here sum is there, A and B are input and carry here, okay. In half adder, 2 input and 2 output. AB are input and 2 output means sum and carry is output. Okay, carry is output, not input. Okay, so here 2 input and 2 output. In this way to design the block diagram of half adder. Now see the truth table of this half adder. Okay, here 2 inputs means 2 raised to 2. Okay, 2 raised to 2 means possible combinations are 4 combinations. Okay, how many combinations? 4 combinations are there. So here 0 0, 0 1, 1 0 and 1 1. These are the possible combination for 2 inputs. Now using these 2 inputs, okay, these AB are 2 inputs and sum and carry are output. So here using simple binary addition rules. Simple binary addition rules. Now see 0 plus 0 is here, sum is 0, carry is 0. 0 plus 1, sum is 1, carry is 0. 1 plus 0, sum is 1, carry is 0. And 1 plus 1, sum is 0, carry is 1. Okay, this is the truth table of half adder. Okay, this addition using simple binary rules. We have already seen in first chapter of number system in paper 1. Okay, now see this output 0 1 1 0, 0 1 1 0. Refer this sum output. This is nothing but an XOR. Okay, this is nothing but an XOR. Okay, now student, one more method is here key map. Using key map we can find out the Boolean equation of this or of this truth table and draw the circuit diagram. But this is not here, not necessary using key map method. Okay, because already you have know that this 0 1 1 0 is XOR gate output and 0 0 0 1 is nothing but AND gate, is nothing but AND gate output. Okay, now see circuit diagram for this half adder. See here sum for XOR gate and carry for AND gate. Now see AB are input, this is AND gate. AND gate is used for carry A dot B. Boolean equation for AND gate is A dot B, and for sum equation means A plus B, XOR gate is used for sum. This is the circuit diagram of half adder. Now Boolean equation of this sum is equal to A dot B and carry is equal to A plus B. Understood student? Half adder, how to work half adder? Just remember, half adder it performs only LSB column addition or only 2 single bit addition. Okay, now next is full adder. Next is full adder. Now here in the higher column there may be a carry from LSB column or previous column. Okay, see here, suppose addition 0 0 1 1 1 1. Okay, 1 plus 1 is 0, carry here 1. Okay, for this 1 1, this 1 1, this LSB column used half adder. But what about this next column? Here 1 0 plus 1, 1 plus 0 is 1, but here 3 inputs are here. Okay, then in this column half adder is not used. Then this problem is solved using full adder, because in full adder if carry may be from LSB column, see LSB column or previous column, 3 bit addition is required, full adder can perform. Okay, full adder can perform 3 bit addition. Understood student? So full adder is used for 3 bit addition. Now see In higher column, there may be a carry from LSB column or previous column. 3-bit addition is required which full adder can perform. Means in half adder only 2 bits, single 2 bits operation can perform, but in full adder 3-bit addition can perform. Okay. Now see the block diagram of full adder. See, this is a full adder block diagram or symbol. A, B are inputs. Okay. Sum is output. See here, carry in, carry out, means A, B and this carry, these also 3 are inputs because carry is input. This carry, if carry is generate, okay, maybe LSB column or in previous column, this carry also add into next column. So A, B and carry in, these are the 3 inputs, and carry out and sum, these are the 2 outputs. Okay. Now see the truth table of this full adder. So 3 inputs, okay, then possible combination or possible inputs. 3 inputs means what is the formula for 3 inputs? 2 raised to 3. 2 raised to 3 means there are 8 combinations. Okay. Now see here 0 0 0 0 0 1 0 1 0 0 1 1 1 0 0 1 0 1 1 1 0 and last one is 1 1 1. These are the combination for 3 inputs. Means sometimes it may be occur carry or not. Okay, but just write possible combination. Now using simple binary addition rules, same here 0 plus 0 0. Okay, all 0, addition of 0 0, carry 0, sum 0. Okay. Second is 0 plus 0 0, 0 plus 1 1, sum is 1, carry is 0. Then same here, carry is 0, sum is 1. Now here 0 plus 1 is 1, 1 plus 1 is 10, means 0 is sum and carry is 1. Now here 1 plus 0 plus 0, carry is 0, sum is 1. Now next is 1 plus 0 plus 1, 1 plus 0 is 1, 1 plus 1 is 10, means sum is 0 and carry is 1. Now 1 plus 1 plus 0, here carry is 1 and sum is 0. Okay. Same 1 plus 1 is 10, 10 plus 0, 0 is sum and carry is 1. And what about last row? 1 plus 1 is 10 and 10 plus 1 is 11, means here carry is 1 and sum is 1. Understood student? This is apply simple binary addition rules, but here write separate carry and separate sum. Okay. Now the full adder circuit can be designed with the help of this truth table. Okay. See circuit, okay, full adder circuit. For this, see dotted lines, as shown in by dotted line, the output carry is high. Okay, see here 1 1, here carry is 1, 1 0 1, carry is 1, 1 1, carry is 1, and last one here also carry is 1, means the dotted line the output carry is high. When AB, okay, see here BC, AC, AB and ABC are 1. For this combination we can connect 3 AND gates. Okay, for this combination, for BC can connect 1 AND gate, AC connect 1 AND gate, one more AB connect 1 AND gate, and last one 1 1 1 connect 1 AND gate. Okay. So here for this combination we can connect 3 AND gates, and totally for this all AND gate connect to OR gate. Okay. For sum, what is the Boolean equation of sum? Plus sign is there, so addition of this AND gate connect to OR gate. Now see how to draw it, this circuit. See here, okay, already sum, for sum used XOR gate. Okay, because XOR gate more than one input can perform, 2 3 5. So here directly can attach A, B, C, and this XOR gate can perform addition of this ABC. Now what about this carry? See here, this dotted line C, BC, AC, AB and ABC. So, for this first AND gate connect for BC, AB or AC. Okay. Now, these 3 AND gates total, I want totally 1 output. So, these 3 AND gates connect to OR gate, means addition of these 3 AND gate, means AB plus BC plus AC. Okay. So, these all outputs connect to OR gate. Now, what is the Boolean equation? Carry AB plus BC plus AC and sum is equal to A plus B plus C. Understood student? Half adder and full adder. Okay. In full adder 3-bit addition can perform. In half adder 2-bit addition can perform only LSB column. Okay. So, this is the difference between half adder and full adder. Now, end of this session 2. Thank you student.